What's good, y'all? So we are about to change the window regulator on my truck today. We got the new one right there in that box. I'll put the link down in the description for y'all so y'all can go check it out. It's got it from Amazon. I think it was like $33, $34. Not bad at all. So what you got to do first, which I've already started, you got to pop this out. Goes in like this. Pop it out. Try to pop it from the back first so you don't break this tab up front. And then of course it has a plug down in there. I've already pushed it back down. Unplug that once you pop it out. Drop the plug back in. There's a cap here and there's a cap here. I've already taken these out. Get you one of these little pick sets like I got. I'm using this little pick right here. Pull those out. This is a full kit set, pick set. Pull off these panels and stuff like this. So I'm going to use some of these. It comes with a lot of stuff, y'all, but I'm gonna put it all in the description as well. The Amazon link for that, Amazon link for the window regulator. Eventually we'll change out these, so that'll be a separate video because my lock is not working as of right now as well. So once I take this off, I'm gonna look behind there, see if there's anything messing with it. But ultimately, we're gonna have to swap that out. But anyway, y'all. So yeah, let's get to it. I already took this screw out. These are 10 millimeters. Get your drill. It works faster. I thought it was 2 in there, but it looks like there's just 1 on mine. So like I said, you get in there and take that out. Then, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get my little grabber and get that out so I don't drop it anywhere. All right, y'all. We got the little grabber. So basically, press this down and it opens up. And it's a little magnet on the end. I'll put the link down in the description for this as well. Let's get in there. Trying to record and do this at the same time. Grab it just like that. All right, y'all. So let's finish. That screw is out. This screw is out. Only thing we got to do. Oh, I'm sorry. We had to take that off as well. Now I don't know where I put it at. Right here. So you also got to take this off from right here. Goes on that. Use your pick. Pull that out. It doesn't come off. You just use your pick. Pull it out. Just like that, y'all. We got her off. Use these so you don't scratch your paint up. All right, y'all. So next, we got to get all of this off. These bolts out because I take these 2 out for the regulator. These 2 out for the window, and these 3 out for the motor. This is the motor, this is the regulator, these are the windows, and this one. So, I'm sorry, regulator, these 3, motor, these 2 windows. There's a switch. Where is it? Supposed to be a switch in here. You gotta unplug. I'll find it in a minute. if y'all are truck drivers, or even if you're not truck drivers and you know somebody that is, man, go check out 4statetrucks.com. Get y'all some Vendetta hand wipes. Some of the best ones out there, man. Definitely some of the best ones out there. Y'all go check them out, man. They got a whole line of stuff, man. Seats, cleaning products, all kinds of stuff, man. Go check them out. 4statetrucks.com, Chrome Shop Mafia. Use code DRT10. Get you 10% off of anything on the site that's not already on sale. And can't go wrong with it, man. DRT10, Chrome Shop Mafia, 4statetrucks.com. Separately. Put it in separately. But you can just Google either one of them. Either one. DRT10, get you 10% off anything on their site. If you drive trucks, if you don't drive trucks, they got other kinds of stuff that you could want to put in your man cave or little stuff like that. Cleaning products, chrome products, parts, everything. Alright, good thing about me getting the window all the way up, that's what these two holes are for when it's time to take out these for the window. So make sure you catch that screw from the bottom right here. Alright, all the screws is out. Got the nuts off of here, screw out of there, screw out of the window holder, and the 3 screws out of the, all 10mm screws, y'all. Where's it at? All 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws total to do this job. All this up out of here. Alright, there's the connector. I was like, it's supposed to be an electrical connector somewhere, y'all. And see that right there? Looks like that was my problem. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be twisted up like that. And that's why we were getting hung up. It's all caught up in there. It's not on track like it's supposed to be. Alright, so that's the electrical connector, which just slid off very easily, actually. Alright, y'all. This is the new everything. Let's unbag it and get it put back in, man. Alright, let's see. So we're finna go back in, connect everything. Make sure that's in there pretty good. Yeah, y'all see how this, y'all see how them cords are in there? That's how it's supposed to be. Not like that other one was. This is the fun part, putting everything back together. I always thought changing out window motors would be difficult. It's pretty simple. Actually, I think this one turns. Thought it was lined up, but it's not. Let's see. No, yeah, that was right. What did we caught on down here? See, I had it in the right one. It just wasn't turning because it was stuck. The regulator down there was stuck. Another one of those little bitty ones. high. I forgot I had it on the drill mode. Usually I like to keep it on 7. That way, this is all you hear. I lost my button on my drill. There it is. Let's go like that. Alright, y'all. Got them back in. Now let's get this mounted. Rip my glove up. Alright, y'all, so we got a little bit of a dilemma. So y'all see at the top of this is the top right here of the regulator, and these two go in the bottom. This one has a where you can screw in. Yeah, you can screw in, and those are two that's out. This new one has it out and out. All 3 are out. So with that being said, I only have 2 of these. No, yeah, okay, right here. So you only got 2 of these little nuts. So probably what I'm gonna have to do is put one up here for this one, and then one down at the bottom. I'm gonna go see if I got 2 of these somewhere. Almost done here. Everything's back in. I just got to put those nuts and everything and see if I got a 3rd nut to put on one of them. Other than that, got the car on. I got a screw. I got to tighten these down behind there. So we're gonna lift the window all the way up, see if we can get to them through there like normal. But I wanted to make sure it was good before I button everything back up. And actually, I ordered all new switches. I don't think I need them. I think it was just this window motor that was going bad. The reason why this wasn't working, because I ordered all 3. Because I already placed that one. I ordered all 3 just because this one wasn't working. So I was like, let me just change out all of them to make sure. And then, like I said, we're going to change these out tomorrow. But, let's say, I just want to make sure. But it is working, as you see. So now I could be able to get through there to get those. Working perfectly, y'all. So what I had to do, just to let y'all know, these were already in, so you got to take them all the way out, and you need to get you a little Phillips head or something else to stick in there. You can use, you know, something like these to stick inside of there. Let me show you on this one. So you want to stick it down in here or right in here on the side, pry it apart, because when it comes in, it's tight like that. So of course you can't put the glass in there. So you need it to be open so the glass can sit down in that. But basically, like I said, it's sitting down in there. Now we just got to tighten that down. And I'll just do it right here since it's a lot more room. Now I'm going to put it on 1 because, and it's not on drill. That's on drill. I'm going to put it on 1 because this is glass. So we don't need it. We need it tight, but we don't need it too tight. We're not in there. Okay, it wasn't in there on the back side. Come on. So the back side, because it's not 1 piece either, y'all. It's 2 pieces. All right, let me get it started. I think this one is good though. Nope, neither one of them. All right, let's go up. Get this in there. So yeah, like I said, these are 2 separate, 2 completely separate pieces. So all right. So now they're in there. Still got it on 1. Forward. That's it. So that's good. And might as well just let's go ahead and knock this out. I really hate that it came like that though, and not to where we can screw the screw back in. Yeah, because I don't want that loose, because then the window will be moving. So we got to at least have this secure. Now these we'll do a little bit higher. I usually do 7 for a lot. Alright y'all, so we got everything, not everything, but we're trying to button everything up. Got the truck on right now. So y'all see, everything works fine, goes up perfect, down perfect. Now, as I'm trying to put this all back in, this little soft part right here goes on the back end, rubber part goes on the outside, and you put your panel back over the top of that. So, run into a little issue though. Watch, it might not work now that I got y'all on camera. Or it might start working right. Alright y'all, got that pushed in. This is the issue. That little crack right there. Anytime I put this in, that's what it does. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is cut this in the back. Right here. Maybe that'll help not rub up against it so much. There we go. Gotta trim that down.